This series of videos will be on section 4.1 in college algebra and context, transformations of graphs and their symmetry. We're going to graph the functions f of x equals x squared and g of x equals x squared minus 2 on the same axis. And what relationship do we notice about the two graphs? Well, looking at f of x first, negative 2 squared will be 4. Negative 1 squared is 1, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, and 2 squared is 4. Graphing those, we'll be numbering by ones. Negative 2, 4. Negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. So this will be our parabola. Like that. And then g of x, so we're basically taking negative 2 squared 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative 1 squared, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 0 squared 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So we're looking at this graph. Negative 2, 2, negative 1, negative 1, 0, 2, 1, negative 1, and 2, 2. This is also a parabola, as we would suspect. But you might notice this parabola is moved 2 down. So it was moved 2 down. Then, that this is a vertical shift in graph. If k is a positive real number, the graph of g of x equals f of x plus k can be attained by shifting the graph of f of x 2 units upward. Notice when it's plus k, it's 2 units up, and that's after the normal function. The graph of g of x equals f of x minus k can be obtained by shifting it downward k units. So plus k goes up to k, minus k goes down k. Now we're going to graph the functions f of x equals x squared and g of x equals x plus 2, then the quantity squared. And we'll see what that difference is. We already have f of x calculated here, ready to go. So that will be negative 2, 4, or negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 2, 4. That will be this parabola. X plus 2, the quantity squared. So negative 2 plus 2, 0 squared, would be 0. Negative 1 plus 2, 1 squared, would be 1. 0 plus 2, 2 squared, would be 4. 1 plus 2, 3 squared, would be 9. 2 plus 2, 4 squared, will equal 16. Negative 2, negative 2, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, 4, 1, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 is going to be proxy right there. And then we know this is a parabola, so it's going to have matching points here. And I guess it's still a parabola, but this moved 2 to the left. We're going to do f of x equals x squared again, and this time g of x is going to be x minus 2, the quantity squared. Well, we've got this one ready to go. Negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. We'll also do negative 2, 4, since we know this is our basic parabola shape. We'll go the g of x, so negative 1 minus 2 would be negative 3 squared is 9. 0 minus 2, negative 2 squared is 4. 1 minus 2, negative 1 squared is 1. 2 minus 2, 0 squared is 0. And 3 minus 2, 1 squared is 1. Graphing these points, negative 1, 9, 8, 9, 0, 4, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, and we know if this is a parabola, so we're going to continue that shape on. And this time we moved 2 to the right. Now, a horizontal shift of a graph. When h is a positive number, and g of x equals f of x minus h, notice the x minus h is replacing just the plane x. The shift in the graph is 2 units right, is h units right. When it's minus h, it's h units right. The graph of g of x equals f of x plus h can be obtained by shifting the graph left 2 units. So plus h moves it left. We need to know these things. Go ahead and graph the f of x equals x squared that we already have. 3, 2, 3, 4, negative 2, 4, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, and 3, 9 again. This is our parabola. Doing this one, well, so negative 3 plus 2 would be negative 1 squared. 1 plus 1, 2. Negative 2 plus 2, 0 squared plus 1, 1. Negative 1 plus 2, 1 squared plus 1, 2. 0 plus 2, 2 squared, 4 plus 1, 5. And 1 plus 2, 3 squared plus 1, 10. So negative 3, 2, negative 2, 1, negative 1, 2, 0, 5, 1, 10. That's going to be approximately here. Now let's go on and do these other ones. About right there. Now let's look at this. We had g of x equaled x plus 2, the quantity squared, plus 1. This plus 2 would move us 2 units left, and the plus 1 would move us 1 unit up. So if I went with the regular points here, here's the vertex, 2 left, 1 up. Basic x squared function, instead of having to make a table, I can just know that this is moving it 2 left and 1 up. And that might